You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this coffee name, Latino coffee, celebrating Hispanic culture. The Spanish pronunciation is as café, with a stress on the fe syllable. This is a brand name. Espresso, ground coffee. Bustelo, Café Bustelo. Is it Cuban? Let me know in the comments. Café Bustelo in English. English pronunciation, Café Bustelo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.